Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed members of the Camden Education Association. Thank you for granting me the opportunity to address you today. As we stand at this critical juncture, it is vital that we address the pressing issues facing our association head on. My name is Marisol Charernsook, and I am honored to stand before you as a candidate for the presidency of the Camden Education Association. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room, our unsettled collective bargaining contract. It's no secret that negotiations have stalled, leaving many of our members feeling disillusioned and undervalued. But rest assured, under my leadership, this will change. I pledge to prioritize these negotiations, advocating fiercely for fair wages, benefits, and working conditions that reflect the dedication and hard work of each and every one of you. Equally concerning is the pervasive feeling of not being heard within our association. Too often, the voices of our members go unheard, leading to a sense of frustration and disengagement. As your president, I will institute open door policies, regular town hall meetings, and anonymous feedback channels to ensure that every member's concerns are not only heard, but addressed promptly and effectively. Furthermore, the lack of communication within our association has fostered an environment of uncertainty and mistrust. Transparency is key to building a strong and united front. I commit to fostering clear and open lines of communication, keeping you informed every step of the way, and ensuring that decisions are made collaboratively with the input of those they affect most, you, the members. Safety should never be a luxury in any workplace. Yet, many of our members are forced to contend with unsafe working conditions daily. This is unacceptable. I will fight persistently to ensure that our schools are safe environments for both students and staff, advocating for improved infrastructure, adequate resources, and comprehensive safety protocols. In the face of these challenges, unity is our greatest strength. Together, we possess the power to effect real change, to create an association that not only advocates for its members, but empowers them to thrive. As your president, I will be a persistent champion for your rights, your well being, and your success. Therefore, I ask for your trust, your support, and your vote. Together, let's usher a new era of progress and prosperity for the Camden Education Association. Thank you. May you all have a good evening.